Okay guys, got some new power steering lines for this Duramax and a power steering cooler. Did not have a power steering cooler before, but now it's getting one because the power steering cooler gets really hot and it's got way bigger wheels on it than stock. So it got a power steering cooler. These are the old lines. If they look like this and one's leaking, I just replace them all. Here's the new lines. So where the power steering cooler goes up the front where the radiator is, and one hose will go right into here into the power steering pump, and the other one will go down into the steering box. And you'll need this one here to be able to do that. And then I'll take off one of these rubber lines and that'll go right onto there. And the rest of the lines, the easiest way to take it off is to take off the inner fender well here and remove this boost pipe, or you can do it from underneath, but then you gotta lie down and you could get fluid splashed in your face, so you just get your wrenches in here, 5/8 and 18-inch are the wrenches that I'm using. I'm gonna use a really shorter wrench, 5/8 for that bolt right there that goes in the back of the power steering pump, and then the lines that go up here, 3 of them. One's a crimp on, 2 of them thread on there. So it's quite straightforward replacing them. And then that's how you add in a power steering cooler.